In this video, I'll show you how to post full pictures on Instagram. Ensure you subscribe and turn on bell notifications to this channel for lots of educational content like this. Now, this is my Instagram, right? For you to be able to post full pictures, what you're going to do right now, click on this crate. Click on the crate. You're going to see the post live ad, right? Click on the post. And from the post, you're going to select from your profile, right? So select from computer. So I'm going to you can select either video or image, right? So we want to post full pictures, so I'm gonna come on this picture, right? I'm gonna click on this, click on open. So this is where a lot of people don't actually understand or don't actually know how to do, right? What you need to do at this particular point, you can see this thing right here. Click on it. Once you click on it, you're gonna click on this, on the original, right? So it's currently on the original, right? You can zoom it in, you can zoom it out. So this is the original pics, right? This is the original pics. This is the original pics. So it's currently the full picture, right? Click on the original. So you can see right here, there is the 1-on-1, there is the 4-5, there is 16. So click on this original, right? Click on the next. If you click on the next, you can see that you have been able to post the full picture, right? This is the full picture. Click on the next. So this is the full picture, right? So you can come on here and do the needful. You can tag your friends, you can write the description of this post, right? You can add location, you can do all this. So if you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through the video. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions, do you want to ask me? I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.